welcome to my channel Mother's Flavor. My name is Nikita and today's recipe is corn kosambari or corn salad. Generally, kosambari is a form of a salad which is served in southern part of India along with your meals. You either add dal or pulses to make it protein rich. Alright, so now to make our corn kosambari, we'll be needing the following ingredients. Corn kernels of around half a corn, and I have boiled these corn kernels in water for about 5 minutes. Half a cucumber which I have chopped finely. Half a tablespoon of oil. Salt to taste. 2 chilies which I have chopped finely. 1 small sized carrot which I have peeled and grated. 1 small onion which I have chopped finely. 2 to 3 tablespoons of pomegranate. Adding pomegranate here is optional. If you like it, you can add it. If you don't like it, you can skip it. And 1/4 cup of moong dal which I have soaked in water for about 2 to 3 hours. Half a tablespoon of mustard seeds or rye seeds. Now coming to the tadka bit of it, first we'll have to heat a small pan to give our tadka in. Once it is heated, we'll add in about half a tablespoon of oil to this. Once the oil is heated, we'll add in our mustard seeds to this and we'll let our mustard seeds crackle. Once our mustard seeds start crackling, we'll turn off our heat and we'll add in our chopped chili. Our tadka is done. We'll let it cool down. Alright, now to make our salad, firstly we'll add in all our ingredients into our salad bowl. So first I'm going to be adding our soaked dal. After you add your soaked dal, add in all our vegetables. That is, I'm adding here the carrot, onion, cucumber, and next we will add in our corn kernels. We'll add in salt to taste. We'll also add in our pomegranate. Now we'll take 2 spatulas and we'll toss our kosambari or our salad. Toss it really well so that everything gets mixed with the dal and the corn. Just ensure to add all the salt and the tadka bit of it when you're just about to toss your salad. Don't toss it and keep it. In the end, we'll add in our tadka and we'll the tadka along with our dal and everything. We'll garnish it with some pomegranate in the end. So there you go. Our corn kosambari or our corn salad is ready. So this corn kosambari recipe, you can actually enjoy it along with your food or along with your meal, or you can eat it and in the form of a salad and make it as your base food. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. If you really like the video, then do hit the like button, do subscribe to my channel and do press the bell notification which is there right next to the subscription button so that you get the notification of all the videos as soon as I upload them. Thank you.